How you doing, officer?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you, man?
I'm blessed, man. Can't complain.
Well, I tell you, it's a nice car.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
It's extremely loud.
G-Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy in the flesh, back with another legendary coming to you live from the humble abode, baby. And this video is brought to you by and paid for and sponsored by Dodge Jeep Chrysler Ram. I'm messing the name up. Downtown LA, baby. LA CDJR. That's what's brought to you by, man. Make sure you go ahead and rock with them phenomenal people in case you want to buy a Hellcat and all that. I know you see the title. I know you see the thumbnail. We're going to be going up there real shortly. But before we do that, make sure you look at the merch and go to tallguycarreviews.com and go get your merch, man. Because I do got that. And I got the abdominals out, man. And you see the socks and all that. New Tall Guy Socks merch coming real soon along with the draws to go with it, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for everything. And if you haven't watched yesterday's video, be sure to go check that out, man. But before we get everything started, I gotta go hop in the Mclaren or the Hellcat. Which one? I believe my niece wanted me to take my Mclaren because I gotta go to LAX to pick up my niece. I flew out here because she said she wanna come hang out with Uncle Slim. So I'm gonna head to the airport to pick her up, man. I'll see you when we get downstairs, baby. Now, y'all know I had to put the shoes to match the socks and the whole attire, man. And we got Lamborghini Ergon Performante, one of my new neighbors. Another Ergon right there. And then we got my dog, Mr. Organik's Hellcat Charger. We got my Hellcat Red Eye, Hellkeezy 2.0. We'll be getting to that in 1 second. But first, we're gonna hop in the McLaren and we're gonna go. Y'all know I got the energy drink, I got the H2O to go with it, and I got the meal prep as well. If you wanna know what's up in that thing, make sure you go to my second YouTube channel, link in the description below. Click that, swipe up, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. Click that bell, turn on post notifications. But now let's lift up that dough. When the doughs go up, y'all know what happens. The panties come down, baby. And the panties come down. It's up real ferocious if you know what I mean. Because you've been in the loop, then you already know what it is, man. But let's go ahead and grab that, boop, 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 and hop in here. Pull down that dough like so. See the McLaren right there? See the McLaren right there? Now see the start-stop button? Hit that right there. Woo! And let's drop the top right here. And the toupee gonna fly off that thing. Just disappear. Just evaporated with the wind, baby. Come on, top. Go down. Big motherfucking Optimus Prime shit. Hold that button a little longer and the windows go down as well as the panties. Now let's go ahead and hit that active button. Goes in the manual. And we got full RPMs. Hit the parking brake. Oh, damn. Paddle shifter. Embarrassing. Still getting used to driving supercars and all that good stuff, man. So without further ado, I'll see y'all when we get to the airport, baby. How you doing, officer?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you, man?
I'm blessed, man. Can't complain.
Well, I tell you, it's a nice car.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that.
It's extremely loud. Modified muffler loud.
Is
that how it came?
It's a McLaren, bro. Regular McLaren.
I get what you're trying to do. You're merging over. When you're like what you were doing, it makes it unsafe for everyone behind you.
I wasn't using my blinker?
You were accelerating, accelerating. If you're doing a lane change, it's got to be a gradual lane change.
Okay.
It can't be accelerate, move over, accelerate, which is what you're doing. So if you're going to do that, if you're going to go from the number 4 lane all the way to the number 1, it can't be how you just did it.
Okay.
Which is all on video, by the way.
I ain't going there, brother.
I'm right on the side of you, I'm just warning you.
Okay.
Because what you did was like an accordion effect behind you.
Okay.
All the cars behind you, stopping and going, and just flip it on back. Which is what drew my attention. So then there an accident up here, but it was you.
What?
Moving over.
Oh, you thought the exhaust was an accident?
Yeah.
Oh.
I honestly thought something was exploding because it pops.
Right. I call it the snap, crackle, pop effect, brother.
Yeah, all right. What do you do, man? I'm
a YouTuber. Explains the camera. You want to say hi to him?
All right, man. It's cool. Just be careful merging back over.
Man, my bad, man.
It's all right, man. All right, you have a good one, bro.
You too, man. I appreciate you, man. Keep doing your job, man. We got pulled over in the McLaren for the first time with the exhaust and
Hey, is that live?
Huh?
Is that live?
Is it who?
Live.
Yeah, it's live. Appreciate you, my man. All right, I'll do that. I got you. I told y'all it was gonna be only a matter of time before we got pulled over driving the McLaren with that new exhaust in tune, because that snap, crackle, pop is crazy. Spitting flames. I have yet to test that theory at nighttime because for one, like I know these LA cops don't be fucking around, so I don't be wanting to just go no vacant spot and just be revving up my engine and all that. Definitely not at no nighttime, you know what I mean? So we're going to find the right time and place to test that theory to see if it's actually shooting flames and sparking up them sparks, you know. But I told y'all it was just a matter of time before we got pulled over in the McLaren. I knew it. I knew it as soon as I drove it when just the exhaust got done before the tune. I thought that was crazy. And then once the tune was complete, and then y'all hear that how that thing's sounding now, I knew it was game over. So I guess it is what it is, man. Like, and you know what's crazy is I wasn't even driving that fast. Thank you, my man. I'm sorry, say it again.
How we doing this?
Oh, I'm blessed, man. I'm driving a McLaren, brother.
Hey, we blessed too.
You want to say hi?
Hello there.
Y'all have a blessed day then. I like the hat, my man.
Hey, thank you. Receive it.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Have a good one. That's legendary right there, man. It's always good to see the people, man. But no, it's crazy. I knew that was gonna happen though. So I guess we're gonna try to chill as much as possible. But I wasn't even going really crazy, to be honest with you. He said like I was using my blinker, I was switching lanes. But the thing is, I don't understand is I can't stand when people merge over and switch lanes using their brakes. It makes no sense to me. Look over, check your blind spots, hit the gas and go. And he was saying I shouldn't hit the gas and go, but I was using my blinker and I felt like I was changing lanes pretty safely. But I guess he's saying like he wants me to do more of like a 10-second pause. Get over to each lane, switch, stay there for 10 seconds, look, hold, up, one more, up, let me go again. I'm in the McLaren, bro, I'm sorry. I get a little enthusiastic sometimes, but the law is the law, and I'm not saying you should ever break it. But all I'm saying is we all human, and when you're driving a $250 car, and you come from nothing, you know, you get a little enthusiastic sometimes, and sometimes you might not switch lanes the way the law necessarily wants you to switch lanes. You might be a little enthusiastic about that times. Have a good one, my man. There you go. Give him a little pull real quick. That snap, crackle, pop, I'm telling y'all, man. It's something different, but let's slow down now. And we in this LA traffic too, so it's a little different when you're in this LA traffic, man. So now we're going to pick up my niece, man. See, like I'm only going 40 miles an hour. Look, and watch this, look. When I go to about here, look, watch. You hear it? Now watch this. See what I'm saying? And I'm only going 30, 40 miles an hour. So imagine going 60, 70 or something like that. Even if I could change that, I wouldn't. I love the snap crackle pop. It's so legendary and iconic. You know what I mean? And like that right there, like I guess that probably wouldn't be considered an unsafe lane change, but I used my blinker. I got right over. Hey man, to each his own. Agree to disagree. But shout out to that cop. He's a real cool dude, and he's a black cop. You know what I mean? And one thing I know. Watch this. Here we go. Watch this. Look. That sound. It's crazy, man. Like, if a cop was behind me right now, I'm going 37 miles an hour, they would probably think I'm doing something crazy. You heard the cop though? He said, I thought you got into an accident, or I heard some accident up there happen. So it gives you a more understanding of how crazy that exhaust sound actually is. And y'all can't tell on film because film never does an exhaust no justice. We all know that. But in person, there's nothing like that sound right there, man. Other than type of Ventador or something crazy like that. It's gonna be tough to match that. Not even gonna lie to you. And I love it. And honestly, I'm addicted to that sound. It's crazy. So I'm so much into higher RPMs now for no damn reason. It don't even make sense why I'm up there, but I just do it anyway because I love that sound and it's crazy. And I worked hard for that. So, you know, sorry police, but I'm pretty sure this ain't gonna be the last time I get pulled over in my McLaren. I don't like getting pulled over. One, I'm a black man in America. Two, I mean, you just never know. Like, definitely, he was a black cop. So, you know what I mean? Like, it's a good thing he wasn't like the cop from Don't Be a Menace black cop. He was a black cop. He's a cool dude. And I know how tough the police officer's job is because my little brother's a police officer. And I always tell y'all this in the videos when I get pulled over by cops. My brother, The Life of DNA, make sure you go subscribe to his YouTube channel, ASAP, link in the description below. But it's just much harder for a black cop out here. It's hard to be police in general, I feel like, because you're in like a no-win situation sometimes. Definitely for people that come from the hood, and all we seen and dealt with in the hood was, you know, dirty cops or, you know, cops that were racist and all that stuff. But I don't know, I just know it's a tough job, man. And he was a cool cop, you know what I mean? And you know, all them cops that do bad stuff, you know what I mean? That's not a reflection of all the police officers out there in the world. And, you know, I understand both perspectives. I've been the dude who's done illegal activities in my life. I've been to prison, and I've been taught by, you know what I'm saying, my father figure. You know, well, I'll just say dad because I wouldn't say too much of a father figure. But I will say that, hold on real quick. I will say that he hates police and always has, always will, and he just felt some sort of way, so he's just trying to teach us that way. And it wasn't until my brother became a cop that I really was like, okay, not all cops are bad, because my little brother, he's a real nigga, and he comes from that, and I know what his intent is, and he doesn't operate on that type of time, you know, but it doesn't mean that there aren't cops that don't operate on that type of time, if y'all know what I mean. So I just learned a lot. We got a motorcycle going crazy over there. That thing sounds crazy. And they got another motorcycle right behind them, right there, living their best life. But in a nutshell, man, all I'm saying is not every cop is bad, and that was a cool cop right there. You know, like I said, agree to disagree, but seemed like a cool guy to me, and the fact that he was a black cop and he was cool made it even more cool to me, you know what I mean? But just shout out to all the good, dope police officers, you know, out in the world who doing their job the right way, and ain't misusing their power or power tripping like that police officer in Phoenix, Arizona, the one that arrested me for not using my damn blinker, pretty much. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's cops like him that give other cops bad names and make them look bad, you know, but I don't think all cops are bad. So, yeah, man, that's it for this video. Nothing really else to be said. I'm almost to the airport. Gotta pick up my niece now, man. Tall guy, I'm out. I'll see y'all next video, baby.